Elon Musk has tweeted that Grok Imagine's super fast image and video generation feature is now available for free worldwide. And in this video, we are going to see how to generate both image as well as video. So let's get started. So for this, first we need to have the Grok AI assistant. You can get this app in both App Store as well as Play Store, and it is from XAI. So just install this app, and after that make sure that you are creating an account and signing in over here. And once you open the Grok app, you will be getting an interface like this, and to the rightmost top you will be having an option called as Imagine. Click it, and here we will be having lot of sample images that are created by other people. So to create our own image, here we are having type to imagine. Click here and just give your prompt. So this is going to be my prompt: cat on a blue whale, hyper realistic, and run it. And here, as you can see, I'm getting a lot of images. Like, it literally goes on. I don't even know how it is possible, but the number of image generation just goes on like this. If you scroll down, it just keeps on going. If you want to choose any image, and we are also getting lot of variations. As you can see here, this is like a bit cartoonish, this looks quite realistic, and this looks super amazing, this white cat image, and different angle, different poses. So it generates lot of various versions of that particular prompt. So I like this image more. I will just click it. In case if you want to download this image, here we are having the download option. If you click on it, this particular image will be getting downloaded. And let's say that you want to make a video out of it. In that case, here you are having custom, spicy, fun, and normal. If you click on custom, we can just add a prompt over here, and that will be getting converted to a video from this image. So for this, let me just now directly create a video from this image. I'm not going to give any those custom prompts or something. So to create a video, just select that image, and here we are having make video. Click that, and now this image will be getting converted into a video within few seconds. And you can hear the sound, right? The great thing is this generates videos with sound. If you want to download this, same thing, just click on the download, and you can toggle between the image as well as the video that got generated. So this is what I got for fun, like in the video generation. This is the image, and this is the thing that I got for fun mode in that video. And let's go with like a custom prompt. Alright, I'm going with this prompt: cat biting and attacking the whale. Let's see what it gives. This is the output that I get. I don't think it is biting, so the custom prompt doesn't give like a lot of impact. You can just click on make a video or try those fun, spicy, those options and generate videos also. And if you want to see the collection of your videos, click here to the left, and we'll be having all the videos generated. And if you want to remove any of these, you can just long press on it and just click on unlike. You can just do it for all to clear your stuff. You can even download it. That's good. And now we are having here the explore option, right? Let's say you like any of these, you can just click here, and you can even convert it to a video. So this is also possible. Okay, that looks so good. This video looks so good. This is the image and this is the video. That looks pretty fun, not gonna lie. And final thing that I want to show you is what it can do if we want to upload our own image into a video. Let's try that also. So to upload your own image, just go to the explore screen, and here near the type to imagine, we are having a photo like icon, right? Click that, and this will open up your gallery. Just select the image, and your image will be displayed over here, and automatically it will be getting converted into a video. And damn, that looks so beautiful. Like, I am having the audio also, and it's playing so well. The physics and everything looks quite amazing. And this feature has been free for a limited time, as Elon Musk has tweeted, because earlier this was a only subscription based feature. I'm not exactly sure for how long this will be free. So basically you can just try it out, and if it goes off free, you can just subscribe and also continue using it. Do check the playlist of the channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.